the Honda Pilot. There's so much room. I could sit here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Here too? 26 miles per gallon rating. Not quite sure what that means. 280 horsepower V6 engine. Looking good. Handy. Honda Sensing, a suite of safety and driver assistive technologies. I feel better already. Oh, hi. Tri-Zone Automatic Climate Control. Lovey deserves the best. Honda was named KBB.com's best value brand for 2020. I love the praise. Push-button start comes standard, which I find especially convenient. I can't hold a key with this thing. Bluetooth streaming audio and a multi-angle rear view camera come standard too. Something smells delish. Want to go for a drive? You ready?